Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and amongst the slew of products we've been unboxing lately for this PC we're building, the heart of it all is the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X processor. Now, this is a chip that we purchased after plenty of consideration. Why we chose this, why exactly this particular CPU, we'll discuss in a different video, but first, let's just unbox it, yeah? So, going AMD for an edit machine was sort of a no-brainer for us because, you know, AMD is offering a lot more cores. In terms of its performance, it's been doing some pretty beefy numbers. But if you actually buy the processor, this is what you can expect inside the box. Now, this is the Wraith cooler. Actually, the AMD is nice enough to actually bundle a performance cooler inside the box. Now, this is not just a run-of-the-mill cooler. This is actually something you can run on their high-end processor, like the 3700X. This is a beaut. Of course, RGB over here, of course, and there's a bunch of cables and connectors that will help you achieve that. The cables are at the bottom. Now, so we'll just put that off to the side. Don't want to drop it, don't want to damage it. It's a gorgeous little thing. And the CPU itself comes in this super nondescript box, the Ryzen 7 3700X. You also get a sticker that gives you the AMD Ryzen branding. You can put that on your case if you want, and the processor, of course, goes on your motherboard. Let's just take that out and see if there's anything else on the inside. So there are installation instructions. Now, if you saw our unboxing of the ASUS TUF Gaming X570 Plus motherboard, you would note that I said that referring to these manuals is actually very important. Now, if you're assembling your computer for the first time, if you've done this many times, you don't have to worry. But if you're assembling a PC for the first or even the second time, or if you feel that you're not all that confident because, let's say, you're moving from one platform to another, this is the first time you're dealing with Ryzen, whatever the case may be, always refer to the manual. This is a saving grace. This will actually help you, not destroy thousands of rupees worth of equipment. So, very important, use a manual. And then the Ryzen chip itself, I'm not going to take this out of the case, is inside this plastic shrink wrap, and it has these exposed pins, and that's actually the reason I don't want to take it out, because I don't want to bend the pins. And that's pretty much all you get inside the box of the Ryzen 7 3700X. Unlike the competition, it's nice to see that AMD actually bundles a performance cooler in the box, which is very, very rare these days. So that's pretty cool. And in terms of its performance, of course, once the PC is built and our editor has put it through its paces, we'll be sharing some interesting numbers with you and feedback on how exactly it performs. So if you want to know that, stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our page, and thank you guys for watching this video.